You gonna want to wear gloves when you do this job. Let's get to the video. Peace.
I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey, my seven. I'm gripping in my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
Come on, y'all. It's your boy LQ4, man, and you see what time it is. Oh, that's right. Time don't matter. It's time to get to work. Finna get ready to head out here to the junkyard. Pick up a couple things. My biggest fear is that I won't have all the fucking tools I need. So it's like you never can have enough fucking tools. So I kind of did some thorough research. I think I should be good and covered no matter what gets thrown my way. This is typically not how I like to operate, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. So, but this is something I've been wanting to do, been wanting to get for a whole minute. I've been keep putting it off. But today, people, today is a fucking day we're going to get this shit. Let's go. So we getting ready to head out here, man. And I mean, I got a tool set designated for the yard. Like, I don't even touch it. However, if I run into something that's larger than say a 19, or you never know, man. So I'm taking this fucking adjustable wrench just in case I run into some gangster shit that needs some fucking stuff on there. That's all I can show you because it's gonna spoil it. So let's get it. All right, man. This is what we came for the yard for. I got my man P Dizzle out this bitch. Y'all ain't never seen him out here in the yard, man. Make sure y'all go follow him on motherfucking YouTube and Facebook and all that good shit. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know what the fuck we here for. If you don't, let me enlighten you. Shout out to Mr. Get In There. He don't even know what we here for. He laughing. So yeah, man, Mr. Get In There, he done made a video before. Two-wheel drive blazers. A lot of people made a video about the shit. I was saying we finna put the G-body in the game, upgraded brakes, dual pistons in the front. Maybe down the line, put some disc on the rear, but that's what we're here for. So we're gonna have to take out this cotter pin. That was easy. The one right here. So it's boom, boom, and at the bottom, and then fucking, I come prepared. If y'all seen the first part of this video, y'all already know what time it is. Got a fucking tie rod separator, ball joint separator. Got that almighty Milwaukee thing. I don't even like bringing this one out the house. It's like the pretty one. But we just put that bitch to work. Put that bitch to work today. So we ain't trying to be out here all day. So I'm gonna cut y'all back on when we get all this shit off. Gone. All right, man, we back. As you can see, where's the knuckle? Ain't no knuckle bitch, ain't no spindle bitch. None of that. All that. Gone. We done bust one down. Took the road off. Dual piston motherfucking calipers. I've been procrastinating this one for a minute, man, but I wasn't ready. But now that motherfucking G-body moving, nigga. Need that. Even if I end up getting new fucking calipers, I need them bitches for a quarter. I got the fucking road off this motherfucker there. This bitch don't want to play nice. I can't get. That's the only boat that fucking came loose. This motherfucking. I know what it is, nigga. I rock shit, bitch.
I kick your ass in the head. You got it done, boy.
The rest of that all came over here. We don't want the funky ass brake pads, them bitches. Bro, they probably was charging nigga full price for them.
Fuck that shit. Get the fuck up out of here with that shit.
That bullshit.
That bullshit. Now you feeling a little bit better. You got that motherfucking rotor off and hey, that shit.
Bro, I ain't gonna pay for that shit. Especially if I ain't gonna use it.
Right.
Rotors in the pads.
In there, I like swimming.
We moving on up with YouTube. We got a cameraman.
And I ain't getting paid.
Or you gotta do it for the love. Love of the culture.
Say love will get you killed.
Say love will get you killed, huh? So I guess it wasn't unscrewing from there. Oh, I guess it's because that was off, whatever. Let's slide that bit back in there like that, yeah.
Slide on them, niggas. Slide on them.
That bitch was not moving. That bitch was like, no play. We'll get it off. We'll get to the hand, get the motherfucking big boy area pack on it. So, see, we got both. Right here. 1 and 2, thing 1, thing 2 for G-Body, goddamn James Brown, aka motherfucking badass yellow boy, aka no smoke please.
Oh my God, here goes.
Alright, man, shit. Y'all know what it is, boy. Let's say around 254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember, the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Ooh, boo, 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 boo.
Hey, I got a question though.
Yes, sir.
You ain't gonna sing on this
The
video?
bloopers.
You ain't gonna sing on this video?
Okay. Even though we're at the junkyard, take a look at this paint over here.
Oh man.
I'm saying, say that you're going with a nice blue like this. It's kind of dirty.
Okay.
Junkyard.
Okay.
If you were to use Grant 7 paint coatings, my hand dirty bit. Grant 7 paint coatings.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? He has a product called Oh My Clear. And when you see it, it's gonna make you say, oh my God.
Oh shit, there you
Cut it out!